Hey guys, my name is Judy, and this is my new YouTube channel. This channel is going to be dedicated to traveling in my van and how to build out and do things in the van, etc. I'm probably not going to be posting very often because that's just not my thing, but when I do post, I want to make it count. My van is a 2005 Dodge Grand Caravan that I've had for about 4 years. I bought it with 117,000 miles on it, and it has really been a great daily driver. Just to give you a little background about myself, I am retired, but I am not a full-time van dweller yet, although I hope to be in the future. Right now, I'm using this as a camper van, and hopefully in July and August of 2020, I will be somewhere in Colorado and not in my home state of Texas, where it's 105 degrees just about all summer long. So I really wanted to get this video out there about my van build to show you how easy and cheap it can actually be. I guess you can call my build a no-build build. I've always wondered why people have to build everything in when it's so easy just to do it kind of portable. But I have a reason for that. I still have to use this van during the week for other things, so I needed to be able to pull everything out quickly. I made the Reflectix window covers for the van, basically following the information that Bob Wells gave on his Cheap RV Living YouTube videos. I think they look really good, and they appear to work very well also. You see the beginning of my blackout curtain there. It was definitely a fail. I could not get it to hold up. I did something different later. There's my cot at the beginning of the build. I've got plenty of room underneath it for tubs. This is a little wooden table that I built to hold my 2-burner propane stove and my laptop. I really did not want to cook in the back. I painted it blue and put a contact paper top on it, but I know it sags and doesn't look very well at all. These are the bin carts for storage that I got at Walmart. I don't think you can get them there anymore, but I really like them because the drawers don't jam up. I've got one there in the back, and I've also got one in the front behind the cot now. You'll see it in just a second. That's my flip-out shade that I'm using for my blackout curtain now, and it really works well. There you see my propane stove and my 5-gallon water jugs underneath the table and my dish pans. And coming up is my composting toilet. And it's basically a 5-gallon bucket with the lid that you can buy from Walmart. I've got a funnel going down into a little gray water jug, and it appears to work very well so far. You put a bag there in the back, and actually the lid does hold the bag in very well when you've got it down. This is my solar setup. I've got a 100-watt rich solar panel, and it was very easy to install. We could have put it on the cargo racks, but I wanted it here to make it more stealthy, and I actually can add 2 more panels, which I do in the future. Looks very stealthy, I think. It powers my Rockpals 300 power bank, which so far will work just fine for my lights and my laptop. Thanks for watching.